Shrimp, I'm using about 12. This is just a snack for me and my wife. Lemon juice, you can use real lemon if you want. Worcestershire sauce, minced garlic, my dry rub, my garlic butter dry rub, parsley, butter, Old Bay, of course. All right, we're just gonna start off by getting this all melted down. I'm gonna throw this in the microwave. All right, once that's all melted down, we're gonna go ahead and add our lemon juice. Add a quarter of a cup. A tablespoon of our Worcestershire sauce. However you say that name, man. Tablespoon of our minced garlic. Get that all mixed in. We're gonna set this aside while we get our shrimp ready. We're gonna add Old Bay. You can add as much as Old Bay you want. You can't go wrong, but make sure every piece is covered with some of that Old Bay. Now folks, this is totally optional, but I'm gonna throw mine on some skewers so we can just, pick them up and take a bite off the skewer. I like it like that. My wife likes it like that too. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and get these all loaded up and I'll be right back with you. I'm not gonna make you guys watch me load all these, Okay, now this is the pan I will be smoking in. I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure the bottom is coated with this garlic lemon butter I got going on here. And I'm gonna hit it with some of my garlic butter dry rub, the top part. When these on the grill about halfway in, we're gonna go back and hit it with some more of this, of course. And folks, if you want to know how to make this is in my channel. I'll throw a link in the description as well, but feel free to browse my channels, All right now, folks, what I'm going to be doing today is smoking my shrimp on my Masterbuilt electric smoker. We're going to be using some hickory wood, as you can see. And I go through this every time because I don't know if it's your first time using one of these smokers, but I like to tell everybody how I use the smoker, and it's very, very beneficial, and it might be beneficial to you too. Whatever temperature you want to cook it on here, set the dial up 20 degrees more than your cooking temp. And reason that is because when you open it up and load it up, it's going to drop about 20 degrees. But if you set that temperature up there, when you put it in, it can be at that cooking temp. Just don't forget to drop it back down to your ideal cooking temperature. All right now. Shrimp on in the smoker. We're going to cook these for about 25 to 30 minutes, but 15 minutes in, we're going to come back in. We're going to give them a flip, rub it down with some of that butter sauce we got, and I'm going to hit it one more time with some of my garlic butter rub. All right now, folks, we are 15 minutes in, and remember I told you I'm going to go ahead and kind of dust the top of them up with some more of this butter that's on the side, and I'm going to hit the top of these. Well, I'm going to give them a flip and hit the top with some more of my garlic butter dry rub. And remember, folks, if this garlic butter dry rub is something that you think you might want, the ingredients for it is in my channel. All right, I will see you folks back here in about 15 minutes. We still got 15 more minutes to go. All right, now, folks, the time has come. Let me throw on this glove so I don't be grabbing on this hot pan. Oh, look at those, nice and pink like you like it. Still got a lot of butter in there. All right, now, folks, remember it was 2 of these. My wife didn't want to wait for it to cool all the way down, so I can hit it with some of this parsley and let that butter thicken up. But there you have it. Bon appetit.